హాయ్ వెల్కమ్ టు సాయి అకాడమీ. మీరు మా పీడిఎఫ్ కోర్సును తీసుకోవాలనుకుంటే ఈ వీడియో క్రింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్లో మరియు మొదటి కామెంట్లో లింక్ ఉంటుంది. ఆ లింక్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసి తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఈరోజు ఈ వీడియోలో మనం 100 వాక్యాలు అంటే 50 ప్రశ్నలు మరియు 50 సమాధానాలు నేర్చుకుందాం.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready. Yes, I am ready.
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
I only have 550 rupees. I only have 550 rupees.
Who would you like to speak to? Who would you like to speak to?
I want to speak to Mr. Satish, please. I want to speak to Mr. Satish, please.
When will he come back? When will he come back?
He will come back in 20 minutes. He will come back in 20 minutes.
What time does it start? What time does it start?
It starts at 8:45. It starts at 8:45.
What will the weather be like tomorrow? What will the weather be like tomorrow?
It is going to rain tomorrow. It is going to rain tomorrow.
Anything else? Anything else?
Nothing else. Nothing else.
Are you afraid? Are you afraid?
No, I am not afraid. No, I am not afraid.
Are you allergic to anything? Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I am allergic to seafood. Yes, I am allergic to seafood.
Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend?
No, I don't have a girlfriend. No, I don't have a girlfriend.
Do you have any vacancies? Do you have any vacancies?
Sorry, we don't have any vacancies. Sorry, we don't have any vacancies.
How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 3 languages: Telugu, Hindi, and English. I can speak 3 languages: Telugu, Hindi, and English.
Do you take credit cards? Do you take credit cards?
Sorry, we only accept cash. Sorry, we only accept cash.
Do you understand what I am saying? Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, I understand. Yes, I understand.
How far is the shopping mall from here? How far is the shopping mall from here?
It is about 300 meters. It is about 300 meters.
How many children do you have? How many children do you have?
I have 3 children. 2 girls and 1 boy. I have 3 children. 2 girls and 1 boy.
How much altogether? How much altogether?
The total cost is 2,500 rupees. The total cost is 2,500 rupees.
How much are these earrings? How much are these earrings?
Just 155 rupees. Just 155 rupees.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
It is 250 rupees. It is 250 rupees.
How much money do you make? How much money do you make?
I make 30,000 rupees per month. I make 30,000 rupees per month.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
What do you do for work? What do you do for work?
I'm a freelancer. I'm a freelancer.
How much money do you have? How much money do you have?
I don't have any money. I don't have any money.
What is today's date? What is today's date?
It is 10th September today. It is 10th September today.
How much is it to go to Singapore? How much is it to go to Singapore?
It's around 50,000 rupees. It's around 50,000 rupees.
Is it raining outside? Is it raining outside?
No, it's not raining. No, it's not raining.
What does he do for work? What does he do for work?
He is an engineer. He is an engineer.
What does she do for work? What does she do for work?
She is a school teacher. She is a school teacher.
What does this mean? What does this mean?
This means he won't come tomorrow. This means he won't come tomorrow.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 9:15. It's 9:15.
Where is the closest ATM? Where is the closest ATM?
There is an ATM. But I don't think it's working. There is an ATM. But I don't think it's working.
When are you leaving? When are you leaving?
I am leaving tomorrow. I am leaving tomorrow.
When is your birthday? When is your birthday?
My birthday is 5th May. My birthday is 5th May.
Where would you like to go? Where would you like to go?
I want to go shopping. I want to go shopping.
How is the weather? How is the weather?
It's going to be hot today. It's going to be hot today.
Where is the pharmacy? Where is the pharmacy?
It's behind the bank. It's behind the bank.
Where is the bank? Where is the bank?
It's near the supermarket. It's near the supermarket.
Are you free now? Are you free now?
No, I am not free. I have a lot of things to do. No, I am not free. I have a lot of things to do.
When and where were you born? When and where were you born?
I was born in 1991 in Hyderabad. I was born in 1991 in Hyderabad.
Do you work from home? Do you work from home?
No, I work at an office. No, I work at an office.
What is your address? What is your address?
My address is road number 13 Gandhinagar. My address is road number 13 Gandhinagar.
How long have you been living here? How long have you been living here?
We have been living here for 14 years. We have been living here for 14 years.
How long have you been working in this company? How long have you been working in this company?
Since 2010. Since 2010.
How much do I owe you? How much do I owe you?
Just 1,000 rupees. Just 1,000 rupees.
Do you know who Meghna is? Do you know who Meghna is?
Yes, I know her. Yes, I know her.
Who is Meghna? Who is Meghna?
She is Ravi's sister. She is Ravi's sister.
What time does the show start? What time does the show start?
It starts at 9. It starts at 9.
What time does the bus starts? What time does the bus starts?
It starts within 10 minutes. It starts within 10 minutes.
Do you often watch movies? Do you often watch movies?
I watch movies weekly once. I watch movies weekly once.
Would you like tea or coffee? Would you like tea or coffee?